Y'all, I got the the most fun package while I was out of town just now from scrapbook.com. It's all of these goodies from Violet Studios. So, and I think I have all these things that are part of the Nutcracker collection. There's another collection that's all of these pinkies and purples and all that kind of stuff. So let me show you this one. This is a felt garland kit. And it looks like it's a skill level between, you know, like moderate and difficult. But it has these felt pieces. Oh, look at, there's even a cute little nutcracker. Guys, oh, this is what's in it. Maybe I should just read it to you. I don't know because I have to learn how to do everything. So there's 4 A4 size felt sheets, an A5 template, 1.5 meters of wine, 2 embroidery skeins, 12 pom-poms, an embroidery needle. Oh, that's nice that they include it. An embroidery thread holder. Interesting. And a printed instruction leaflet. So I'm going to just need pins, scissors, and tape, which is optional, which of course I have. How fun is that going to be? And I'm going to have links down below. Hopefully I can figure out the affiliate links to put them down below. So I have that. Next little goodie, and I'm so jazzed about this. This is an embroidery kit. So look at, there's 4 little embroidery kit kind of ornaments or 4 mini decorations. So you get all of these goodies in it. You get these cute little mini hoops. You get printed instructions, the cotton fabric pieces. Oh, these are like the little templates. And there's instructions, so it totally tells you what you need to do, which I think is so clever. Has 10 embroidery skeins with it, skeins, a transfer sheet, let's see, twine, needle, thread holder again, all that kind of stuff. So super cool, fun little chunky box too. I like the packaging. Then I do have, I think this is really cool. Oh, Home for Christmas is the name of the other paper line. And I was really wanting to check this, or the other collection line that's there right now. I so want to check this out. This is a 6x6 sheet or book, pattern paper, little book. Let's come in and take a look really quickly. So let's see. There are 12 beautiful designs. They're 6x6. Is there anything else to know? I don't know. So let's see. Ooh, you've got a nice little satin finish on it. So cute little cut aparts. The most adorable little vehicles with the Christmas trees. I love it. Little Christmas prezzies. And they're single-sided, so you don't have to pick which side you use. More little vehicles and trees. Ooh, a diagonal stripe is always my favorite. My favorite stripe. We've got lots and lots of trees with the little cars and the holly and berries, wordy bits, and the nice diagonal. Oh, these would be good with a punch as little embellishments. Red with the little white dots. Fa la 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 la. And it repeats. So it's rather a clever, how many times does it repeat, do we think? Let me see. I'm not quite sure. I'm sure. Oh, it repeats 3 times. So lots and lots and lots of paper. 36 papers in the Home for Christmas. So you can see what this line looks like with the color palette. So I have that. Here, I can come back out because I have all my goodies. I'm so excited. All right, so next, this is, and I totally wanted to open it. This one, it's Home for Christmas. These are Nutcracker. This is Home for Christmas. I'm so glad I got stuff from both. Here, let me move my light a little bit. Jeez. So this is a die cutting and embossing kit. Very cool. There's over 350 pieces included. Look at these goodies. So it's packaged really cleverly. So clever, apparently I can't figure out how to open it, but that's just how I am. Okay, so you've got this sleeve, right? Guys, look at this little box. This box is really perfect for giving away with a present later. I'm totally keeping it. Okay, oh, cute. So we've got a little package. I'm going to go like this in case I want to use this for a gift to give away as well. I'm like that. So let's see what we have. Okay, so there's 6x6 cards and envelopes. It's an 8-pack. Oh, cool, guys. So you've got the cards and the envelopes. You've got a craft color, off-white, totally crayon green, and a really nice rich red. We've got bling, adhesive gems, lots and lots of them. Pretty. This is an embossing folder. So oh, cool. Cool to use on cards. Oh, there's a couple of embossing folders. Oh my word. Okay, so we've got this adorable one with the little love bug with gifts and little trees and snow. And then you have the 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. So you can have them going whichever way you want. I can't even. That is so cool. Then let's see, we've got this ribbon and it is beautiful. We've got the fa la la, and you know, ribbon has that nice little silky texture too. So there's 5 different ones at 1 meter a piece, or 5 at 1.1 yards. I'm so much better at yards, so much. Then there's 3 metal dies. I can't. So we have this metal die with that little car like we talked about. These are the little tires, and then there are these little prezzies. Okay, so that's why they sent me this. Scrapbook.com sent me all these goodies. So how cute, and you can create this. And then we have one with these great Christmas trees. So it also has like a little embossing on the tree. And then we've got this metal die for Merry Christmas. These are going to be so fun to play with. Okay, so I have that. Love it. Going to have to put it over here. I'm getting a stack. Then, oh, but wait. This is the Decoupage card making kit in Home for Christmas. So let me scooch this just a little bit. I'll see if I can open it. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to do the embroidery, to make this great little felt garland, and to get my craft on. Guys, these boxes, like straight up chonky, sturdy box. If you're all about like repurposing for gift giving, yes, please. Okay, so cute here. So the other one, was the other one red or was it green? The tissue, I don't know, but I'm gonna do the same thing, which is a little weird, I know, but I wanna keep all the goodies. Okay, so let's see. The bottom piece, oh my goodness, guys. I already lost my scissors. So this is an 8x8 book, and this is the Home for Christmas line, like I said. It's 8x8. Guys, I am so jazzed. So jazzed. Okay, so it's a decoupage pad. It is what it's called. I'm gonna come in a little bit. I don't wanna make you guys feel when I do that, but you got to come in and out. You got to do the thing. Okay, so there's 24 sheets. They're 200-gram sheets. Got it. There's over 30 decoupage toppers included. Okay, so it says A1, A2, A3, so there might be instructions or something, because it tells you different, like what the different pieces are referred to. And then we've got these little banner bits. Oh, and then they repeat. Awesome. Oh my goodness. So then we have that sweet little car with the presents again. These are the, the wheel wells, the, the fenders by the wheels. We've got tags, fa la la, these circular bits, and cute little bits to add on. These are so cute. So you have 3 of those. Oh, and then we have Merry Christmas tags, a nice block. We've got just strips that you can use to put onto your card stuff. Oh my goodness, the trees. Very, very clever. And guys, I don't know if I said, these just punch right out. Not even like tricky punching. So then we've got these big pieces, and look at this. This little bit right here pops out. So it's a frame, but then you have goodies inside it. Got your cute little trucks again. Now this truck doesn't have the little cab bit. I can't wait to see what I'm supposed to do. I'm very excited about seeing how to do all this. And then, yes, we've seen that. I love that all of these bits punch right out. And these are more punch outs. I like this little turquoisey aqua color that's in this collection. I'm so excited. Oh, let me come over just a little bit. So excited. Oh, now we have some prezzies in the to and from. Those are cute. And the little bunch of trees in a set of 3, my fave. Let's do that. Then we have a set which is on this red background. And guys, you can use this whole border once you punch these out to mat your layouts. Like seriously, you can use it all. Because I love this deep red background with a tone-on-tone red. So little trees, little love bug. Again, we have a truck, a red truck. My son drives a red truck. I get excited. So the nostalgic looking vibe with the truck and the trees again. And that is that with super sturdy chipboard. I'm always looking for super sturdy chipboard because you can make mini albums. So we have that. This whole thing, this whole pad, I cannot believe it, is all punch outs. Okay. Then this is for making 6x6 cards and envelopes. It's an 8-pack. So you've got white, the craft, the nice Christmas green again, and this rich red with these big old 6x6. What a fun card size. And then, oh, but wait, we have gems again. So there's 360 pieces in this gems pack. This is something I'm so excited about. These are little pre-tied bows. They're ribbon bows. They're pre-tied. They've got that nice little satiny, silky finish on them. It is so cute. So cute. There's an example of cards and tags you can do. Cute. And then this piece that comes in it, these are called mini tags, and they're 30 pieces. And they've got that little punch out on them with love, Merry Christmas, fa la la, all of those great kinds of sentiments. Oh, it's so cute. Christmas wishes just for you. Perfect. So that's done for you. And then finally, these are so cool. It's an 8-pack of frames. So maybe we should open them so we can get the vibe on them a little bit better. They're chipboard. Let's check out the quality of the chipboard. Oh, and they're self-adhesive. Yep, they've got a really nice sturdiness to them. So we've got these great little trucks with the trees, and then the prezzies. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. So this is, it's called the Decoupage Card Making Kit. This one. And then I have one more kit thingy to show you, because that's really what it wants to be called, the kit thingy. So one moment, let me put these treasures away. And then the last kit extravaganza I have no more room left on my desk because of all of my treasures. Let me move, I can't even. Let me move these out of the way. So this is it is the Violet Studio Home for Christmas card making compendium, maybe? Compendium. Very interesting. And then, you know, it has it in different languages. Had to have a sip of tea really quickly. So let's see. We've got it attached on the side here and attached on the side here. I didn't open it until I got to hang out with you guys because, you know, I think it's a lot more realistic if we open it together. Okay, so let's get these goodies. Oh, this is stuck down. This is serious. I cannot believe how cool these kits are. So let's see. This comes with, oh, that's not English. That's not English. That's not English. All right. Okay, we'll read this. We have 12 A6 size card blanks with envelopes. There are 12 printed papers that have 9 designs, alphabet sticker sheets in 1 design, 2 die cut topper sheets with 2 designs. We have gems, twine, buttons, pom-poms, chipboard frames, and adhesive foam tabs. Okay, so let's look at the paper because I pulled it out rather quickly. Guys, I'm looking at the stuff that's right here. Getting very excited. Okay, we have got, I don't know if these repeat or not, a fab set of prezzies. That really cute print with the cars. This deep red with the white little dots that look like snow. Ooh, a much lighter. This is like a pinky red in a diagonal. A deep, deep bricky red. Cute trees. I'm going to shimmy a little bit. The cute trees with the cars. We've got the hollies and berries. Holly leaves, I should say. Kind of like holly leaves. Oh, we have 2 of those. So do they repeat now? No. We had 2 of those. We have fa la la. 2 fa la las. And then we have 2 of these gorgeous bits with the circular things. I hope that works with my 2-inch punch. I so hope, because I love these. Okay, those are the papers. Done. We've got our card bases. Again, they're all packaged, you know, so they stay nicely in the box. We've got our card bases and envelopes again, which are just awesome. Love that. Okay. Then, oh, here's the envelopes that go with them. So this time, it looks like we have cream, craft, oh, same thing. The Christmas green and that gorgeous rich red. So we have that. Then we've got, oh, so these are like those punch outs like we saw in that other paper pad. Ooh, but these are really, like, they have a lot more shine to them. That will be fun on cards. So there's 2 different pieces. The one here with the red backing, I'm sorry, the green backing. It's the same icons. I just really like this big shine on it for cards. I think that's really gonna like have that nice pop. Very difficult for me to photograph, but a really nice like textural kind of finish difference. And then we've got it also with the red. And on these little punch outs, the red is surrounding it. So it'll pop right off your cards. Super cool. Okay. Ooh, we've got some nice little dimensional adhesive with the foam squares. How clever that they included it. There are 2 sheets of alpha stickers, so you can personalize them, which I think is very cool. We have got these cute little chipboard frames again, which are so fun. Love the little nostalgic vintage truck. Got a lot of twine. So you can get your twine on. It's in the green, a gorgeous, gorgeous, like tulipy kind of a pink and red. So cool. I have got some gems. Look at these little buttons. I can't. And then finally, the cutest little pom-poms that you ever did see. So that is what I have. I will have links down below for scrapbook.com. Guys, these products are so awesome. I mean, they're so awesome. They're by Violet Studio. They're really well crafted, great quality, and I can't wait to get playing with them. Stay tuned to my channel. I will bring you all the goodies before you know it.